attention to the answers. So we want the answers as enum type. So we've changed it to the enum type. Enum basically is to make it be in the form of objective. So you have option A, B, C, D to choose from. Alright. So after changing it to enum, we go in there and we need to specify what we want listed as options. Alright, and we can do that in the data validity side. So we come here and we go to valid if. Alright, now we need to create a list of options. When you go back into the spreadsheet, so for question 1, we want this option 2, 3, alright, so 60, 48, 54, 75 to show as options for the first question. Alright, and as you can see, 60 is the first under this column, 48 is the first under this column, 54 is the first under this column, 75 is the first under this column. So we are going to use the same approach with index. So we have index column. So let's say the data set is Q&A. All right, have A. So we want the first one under A, right? And then we also want the first one under B, the first one under C, first one, sorry, we want the first one under E. So index Q&A B 1. So we can list this. Okay, it says invalid input. Okay, so the C here didn't come, so C matched types. Okay, so we will go back into the Q&A table to check that the column types are the same. So let's save this in the meantime and then go to Q&A. Okay, we are all listed as numbers, but should actually be text. All right, then save. So after changing types to the same text, you make sure that this key box is not checked for any of the ABCD. So we can make the row number the key and make the question type the label. Otherwise, it will affect how ABCD relate to each other. Okay, so after doing this, let's save. And as you can see, we created this for the options for question 1. Let's copy it to use for the others. So this is how we created it. We selected the first one under the A column. That's how you can see Q&A column A. This is 60, and then Q&A column B, the first one. So as you can see here, they are showing Let's save it. All right. So how many countries are in Africa? These are the options. So let's do this for answer 2, 3, 4, 5. This time, instead of 1, so we have to first select a new. Base type is text, and data validity. You come here, you paste the formula we copied, and now instead of 1, you choose 2 because this time we are dealing with the question number 2. So let's save this. We're going to do this for answer 3. Answer 3 must also be NU. Go in, data validity, you paste, and then you change to question number 3. Okay, so change to question number 3. So I'll do this for 4 and 5 as well. So I've inputted for all of them. So let's save. So as you can see, because of how it is, that's also read only, and the users can only choose. Now, um, only this is arranged this way, so we also need to change that. So there is this format, right? And then there is the stack. So we'll go in. It's okay. So let's use that. Answer 2, choose buttons. Answer 3, we choose button. Answer 4, buttons. Answer 5, buttons. I think we have to change answer 1 too. So answer 1, buttons. Save.